Hey, are you like me and getting tired of losing your chargers? Check this out. There is a better way. You can install USB outlets, USB-A, the larger one, and USB-C, the smaller one. You can put it in your kitchen, your bedroom, any location. It will make your life a whole lot easier. Hey, let me know in the video description down below. Have you done this before? Are you thinking about doing this? What's your level of experience when working with electrical projects? I've already verified that the power is turned off to this outlet, so you're simply gonna remove your cover plates. This is an excellent do-it-yourself project for the first timer. Whether you've worked with electricity before or not, this won't matter. You do not have to hire a professional for this one. A USB outlet will make your life a lot easier. Now, when you've turned off the power and pulled the old outlet out, it doesn't matter if you have one set of black and white wires or two sets. The procedure is the same, and there's no additional level of difficulty, guys. If you have the traditional curved wire around the screw, you can unscrew and you can pull that out. Now, for your new USB outlet, you don't need that curve. Can you see that? You don't need the curve. This will go straight into the pressure plates. It's a very, very good design. Much easier than the screw and curve system. So you can take pliers and try to straighten that out. It's a little bit tedious. It's actually easier to have a good pair of wire strippers. You want to buy these and have it in your toolkit forever. Actually, just cut the wire. And then we're on 12 gauge wire here. You're going to pull a new wire perfectly straight, ready to go. That's actually easier, guys. If you have wire strippers, simply cut your old connection and strip a new piece of clean Romex. There you go. And let's do it to the other side. And the ground wire. Now, again, I said it doesn't matter if you have one set of black wire and white wires or two sets. The procedure is exactly the same. And one nice thing on these new fancy USB outlets, they've improved the design. Gone are these terrible screw systems where making the perfect hook is required. Those days are gone. Now, in these good quality outlets, you have these awesome pressure plates, and your straight wire will go right in. Now, black wire has been painted over, but that is the black wire. On the hot side, if you look carefully, that's a gold screw for the hot side, and it actually is labeled. I hope you can see that there. It actually is labeled for hot and white. So hot side refers to the black wire, and you're going to put that straight in. Now it's under the pressure plate, and you're going to get the other one straight in. There you go. And now you're ready to screw that down firmly. Okay, you want to go fairly tight. Not crazy, but you want to go fairly tight. Over time, you don't want it to loosen up. Okay, I didn't strip the neutral wires yet. On these wire strippers, the numbers to your wire gauge are listed. So all the way from 8 to 18. The higher the number, the thinner the wire. The lower the number, the thicker the wire. This is kitchen residential 12 gauge wire. And we're ready to put those in the pressure plate. Goes right behind there. And then we're going to screw that one on down. Oh, we went too far there. You don't want extra material sticking out. You pull that one back. There you go. There is a little reservoir where it'll bottom out. So that's the strip gauge depth. You want it to bottom out there, but you don't want a lot of copper exposed wire showing. So you want to hit that just right. Hey everyone, I wanted to let you know, not that long ago, a USB outlet was $50 or more online. I'm now seeing this one as cheap as $15. Name brand USB-A and USB-C outlets for $15. Check the video link down below. Okay, lastly, onto the ground. Don't forget your house has a ground. If your house was constructed pre-1960s, it may not have a ground. If it was after 1960s, it probably does have a ground. If you do have ground provided in your walls, go ahead and use it. Now here, this one is requiring a small little hook. So you're going to take your pliers and you're going to create a little teeny hook, and it's going to go right under that green screw. And there's a place for it to lay in there nice and flat, and tighten that one down. Don't skip this step. If your house has a ground wire back there, please use it. Okay, that's nice and tight. Look at the orientation of your outlet. For residential, ground down is the most common. Now you're going to gently fold these wires back in the wall, because the 12 gauge, they are a little bit more stiff than 14 gauge wires. Okay, it's thicker than my last outlet, so it's actually hitting a little bit of the old drywall right there. So we're going to take something and we're just going to kind of chip that away just a little bit. Okay, let's see if that gave us enough room. Okay, so we got it in there. This outlet, USB outlet, is sizable. It's much larger than a conventional outlet, so you will need room in the box. We did have to chisel out a little bit of the backsplash to get that, but now we're in good shape. Because it is a tight fit, you can use electrical tape and wrap the exposed end pieces, metal end pieces, just so nothing shorts out, nothing touches anything else metal or exposed. So just firm this up to your wall, and we're ready to put a cover plate on there and test it. It is a UL listed outlet that's tamper resistant, so it meets code approval. Coffee maker is coming back on. You're good there. And let's test the USB. You are good there. Okay, so we got power, everything's working. Let's get that cover plate on. So this is the larger rectangular cover plate. This particular Leviton USB outlet was not provided. Sometimes you'll buy a USB outlet and they will be provided in the kit. So this one is labeled as GFI protected. We are at a kitchen counter location and we are on a GFI circuit. This one is near the end of the circuit, but when you turn off the GFI, this one is protected. It is killing the power, so we are safe and legal. Okay guys, you did it yourself. I am proud of you. New USB outlet installed, out with the old, in with the new. You'll use this for years to come. It'll make your life a lot easier. Subscribe for more content. New videos uploaded every single week. Thank you.